Ever wondered why your stomach suddenly growls when you're hungry? Stomach growling, or borborygmi, happens when muscles in your stomach and intestines contract to move food, gas, and fluids around. When your stomach's empty, those sounds echo louder. Your brain also triggers these movements when it thinks it's time to eat. That's why the growls are louder when you're hungry, not just random. Your body is literally shouting for food. Follow Oddify Lab for more mind-blowing facts, and let us know in the comments what crazy topic you want us to explore next.